explain to me why you don't want to sleep in your bed. Why don't you want to sleep in your bed?
Because I got the dinosaur book.
You're scared of the dinosaur book?
Yes.
But you like the dinosaur book.
But I don't like I'm scared of the eye.
You're scared of the eye?
Yes.
But you have to be a big boy, aren't you? Are you a big boy or a baby?
A baby. No, a big boy.
Yeah, you're a big boy, so you can sleep in your room all night long.
But I don't like my room. I want carpet.
You want carpet?
Yes.
Why? You have a rug in there. Isn't that good enough?
No.
Well, what don't you like about your room?
Because but I don't like my room anymore. Because I want a baby small room.
What?
Baby small room.
You want a what room?
Baby small room.
A big, strong car room?
Yes.
Well, you have a lot of cars.